Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the tailpipe for this KitchenAid garbage disposer, you will need a 3/8" nut driver or a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. Using the 3/8" nut driver or the flathead screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the tailpipe flange to the disposer. Unthread the nut to detach the old pipe. To install the new tailpipe, slide the flange onto the pipe, followed by the nut and gasket. Partially align the tailpipe and position the flange with the disposer's outlet port, then secure with the mounting screws. Fully insert the pipe and thread the nut to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.